Hi everyone, welcome to Return Path. Have you ever wondered that what is one thing which is common among all successful people? The answer is self-discipline. To the ones who are self-disciplined, knowledge, wisdom, success and sometimes solution too, they come automatically. So what is self-discipline? Self-discipline is the ability to control our impulses and make yourself work on things that need to be done, whether in terms of diet, health, fitness, work ethics, or relationships, or anything. Self discipline is an important trait to achieve your goals and lead a healthy lifestyle. But most of us lack self discipline, and one of the main reasons is that we are afraid of trying anything new. We want to run away from anything which is difficult or uncomfortable for us. And Aristotle had once correctly said that men are anxious to change their circumstances, but they are unwilling to improve themselves. See, discipline is all about persistence with conviction, where we carry on with the things we have to do, irrespective of whether you like it or not. And if at all you find a way to like it or feel positive about it, following discipline becomes very easy. And once we start to see the result, we feel motivated, we feel more enthusiastic. So, it doesn't matter whether you want to pursue your success in the field of business, art, sports, or life in general. The bridge between wishing and accomplishing your goal is always self-discipline. So let us look at few points which can help us to be more disciplined in our day-to-day life. Firstly, identify your goals and make a realistic goal. We need to first identify what we want to achieve. It can be weight loss, it can be making more money, it can be expanding our business, it could be having a good sleep in the night. So identify what you want to achieve and make an achievable goal, realistic goal. Because what happens, for example, if you are trying to lose 20 kgs of weight, so don't make kind of a goal that you will be doing it in 2 months time. Give yourself a time frame of 8 to 10 months or maybe 12 months, because if you make unrealistic goals, you will be disappointed, you will be demotivated. So make an achievable but realistic goal. Next, reduce the temptation and make a favorable environment. We all know that out of sight is out of mind. So reducing the distraction and temptation is very crucial to be on track of our goal. And we need to make a favorable environment. For example, I'm trying to lose weight, so I make sure that my yoga mat or my joggers, they are always in front of my eyes so that I'm motivated to do it. Or for example, if you are trying to have a better sleep in the night, make sure that the chargers or the electronic gadgets is all away from your room. It's not in your bedroom. So make a favorable and conducive environment which will keep you motivated to be on your goal. Next, eat healthy, because studies have shown that the low blood sugar often weakens our resolve. So in order to stay on track, make sure that you are well fueled with some healthy snacks and healthy food. Next, make sure that you practice every day. See, consistency is the key. Sometimes what happens that we don't want to get up in the morning and work out, or we don't feel like practicing that guitar. Make sure that you spend minimum 5 minutes or at least 5 minutes practicing that, and you will be surprised that you'll be motivated to do more once you start. So the first step is always very crucial. Next important thing is treat yourself, because we need to trick our mind. What happens that when you are practicing self-discipline, we actually become quite harsh on our body. So if you are trying to lose weight, treat yourself with an ice cream on a Sunday. Or maybe if you are trying to control your overspending, next time when you go to mall or some market, spend that extra money to buy your favorite thing, or spend it on your hearty meal or something that you like. So treat yourself. Next, and the most important, is forgive yourself and move forward. See, there will be days when we will falter, when there will be setback. So don't allow the negative emotions of anger, guilt, or frustration to demotivate you or to distract you from your goal. We need to understand that our actions and our desires, they have to be in sync. Otherwise, all our desires will only remain dream, and there will be very less chances of them materializing into anything successful. Warren Buffett has said that to be successful, we don't have to be smarter than the rest, we have to be more disciplined than the rest. Self discipline needs a constant supply of motivation and self control. Self control is something, it's like muscle. The more you work on it, the bigger it will grow. So we need continuous motivation and self control to successfully pursue our goals. We must realize that self discipline is a practice. We may not be perfect every day, but what is important is trying up, showing up every day. So let us stop daydreaming and complaining and take our destiny in our own hands, because if we cannot do it for ourselves, no one will do for us. Self discipline actually makes us free, and it gives us the strength to dream anything and to be successful in anything. We can accomplish all our goals if we follow self discipline and we are sincere and realistic about our goals. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your views in the comment section. I come up with video every week. Till we meet next, stay happy, be grateful. Namaste.